Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for a YouTube alternative to grow your audience and even earn money? In this video, I will show you how to use Rumble in 2025 step by step, whether you are a creator or just exploring new platforms. Rumble is a video sharing platform that's gained popularity for its free speech stance, a simple monetization model, and a growing user base. Unlike YouTube, it allows content creators to reach audiences with fewer algorithm restrictions, and it's monetized from day one. So, for this tutorial, I will use a Chrome browser. So open your browser, then go to rumble.com. Now sign up, click on sign up button. Choose your email address, enter your username like that. Then select gender, birthday date, wait a minute, 12/8/2024. Then select your country, then check the box and click next. And make sure your username is valid. Now enter a strong password, then next. Now go to your email inbox and copy the code from your inbox and paste it here. Easy. Let's upload a video and work through the settings. Click on the camera button, then upload video. Now upload a video from your um, computer. Make sure your video size is 15 GB, under 15 GB. Once uploaded, add title, description, select category like entertainment, uh, based on your video niche. You can add thumbnail from your computer. Just choose your own thumbnail and upload it. Then you can add tags like YouTube. Then select visibility like public, unlisted, and private, same as YouTube. Then click upload. One of the Rumble's biggest features is easy monetization. How Here's how it works. Ads run on your videos. You earn revenue based on views and licensing. Rumble can distribute your videos to other platforms like Yahoo, MSN, etc. for more exposure. payouts via PayPal or bank transfer. Once you reach the threshold, if you are here to watch or grow a following, here's how to get around. Browse categories like news, gaming, tech, and lifestyle. Subscribe to creators by clicking the green follow button. Like click on a video. Here is it is. Rumble also has live streaming if you are verified. Like, comment, and share videos to engage. Tip: consistent upload equal to more followers and more earnings. Rumble also works great on mobile, iOS, and Androids. Features: upload directly from your phone, watch in landscape or portrait, receive notifications when your favorite creators post, go live if eligible. Here, here's a quick comparison if you are wondering which platform to focus on, like uh, on Rumble versus YouTube. Monetization: Rumble easy and early. YouTube strict, 100 subscribe needed. Sorry, 1000 subscriber needed. Free speech: Rumble higher, YouTube moderate. Discovery: slower, Rumble larger base, YouTube. Algorithm: Rumble less filtered, YouTube high filtered. Upload to both to diversify, and that's how to use Rumble in 2025. Whether you are a new creator or a seasoned pro, it's a platform worth exploring. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creator tools, and drop a comment. Are you using Rumble yet? Let me know below. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.